Originating from Asia, the king cobra is commonly found in the forests of India and Southeast Asia, with its large size, deadly venom, and a hood that can spread to instill fear. This snake is a true king of the vast forest. This video takes you deep into the forests to discover the secrets of this magnificent reptile. From its chilling behaviors and unique hunting strategies to its cultural significance and conservation challenges. If you are fascinated by the world of venomous snakes, you will not want to miss this thrilling journey into the world of the king cobra. The king cobra is a predator that possesses all the fearsome attributes a hunter should have: strength, top-tier, venom, and the ability to plan its hunt. It is also a remarkable example of intelligence in the reptilian world. This apex predator exhibits impressive cognitive abilities, including problem-solving skills and the ability to learn from experience. Unlike many reptiles that rely solely on instinct, the king cobra demonstrates adaptability in its hunting strategies and behavior. This legless hunter can modify its approach based on the type of prey, terrain, and environmental conditions. This adaptability highlights its cognitive flexibility and its ability to assess situations. Studies have shown that king cobras can remember specific locations and events, indicating a degree of spatial memory and recognition of the behavior of their prey. The king cobra can also learn through observation, trial, and error, continuously refining its techniques. This learning ability contributes to its success as a formidable hunter and helps it thrive in diverse habitats. While more in-depth research is needed to fully understand the intelligence of the king cobra, its abilities challenge the traditional view of snakes as simple, instinct-driven creatures. The intelligence of this snake is a testament to the fascinating complexity of the animal kingdom. The king cobra stands out not only for its deadly venom, but also for its special maternal instincts and terrifying displays. Unlike most snakes that abandon their eggs after laying them, the female king cobra is a dedicated parent. During the breeding season, she invests considerable effort in building a nest, carefully selecting a suitable location and using her body to gather leaves and debris. The female remains vigilant after laying the eggs, aggressively protecting them from potential predators. This level of parental care is rare among reptiles and demonstrates the complexity of the king cobra's behavior. The iconic hood of the king cobra is a spectacular sight that strikes fear into its enemies. When threatened, the snake raises the front part of its body, spreading its hood to appear larger and more intimidating. This display, along with hissing and other warning signs, is usually enough to deter potential threats. However, if the danger persists, the king cobra is ready to deliver a powerful bite. While its spread hood, patterns, and fangs are impressive, the king cobra's venom is its ultimate weapon. The extremely potent neurotoxin it releases can quickly paralyze and kill even large animals like elephants. The venom affects the nervous system, causing respiratory failure and death. This terrifying venom secures its position as an apex predator in its ecosystem. The diet and hunting abilities of the king cobra are key to its reputation as a formidable predator. Its scientific name, Ophiophagus henna, reflects its special diet. As Ophiophagus means snake eater, this apex predator primarily preys on other snakes, both venomous and non-venomous. Its diet includes rat snakes, pythons, and even other cobras. This specialized diet is unique among snakes and contributes to the king cobra's ecological role in regulating snake populations. The king cobra's venom is a potent neurotoxin designed to subdue its struggling prey. The injected fluid contains a complex mixture of toxins that can quickly paralyze and kill other snakes. This adaptation ensures an effective hunt and minimizes the risk of injury from its prey. The king cobra employs an ambush strategy, patiently waiting for prey to come within striking distance. Once a target is identified, it strikes with lightning speed, injecting venom into its victim. The prey is quickly immobilized, and the hunter's job is then simply to swallow its meal. As an apex predator, the king cobra plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. By preying on other snakes, it helps to regulate their populations and contributes to the overall health of the ecosystem. But despite its majestic presence and ecological importance, the king cobra faces an uncertain future due to numerous threats caused by humans. The primary threat to these kings is the destruction of their natural habitat. Deforestation, agricultural expansion, and human encroachment have led to significant habitat loss and fragmentation. As forests disappear, so do the king cobra's hunting grounds and nesting sites, forcing them into closer contact with humans. This often leads to conflict and persecution. The unique venom of the king cobra is highly valued in traditional medicine and research, making it a target for poachers. The snake's skin is also sought after for fashion and decorative products. The illegal wildlife trade poses a significant threat to king cobra populations, driving the demand for their body parts and contributing to their decline. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, has classified the king cobra as a vulnerable species on its red list of threatened species. This indicates that the king cobra faces a high risk of extinction in the wild. If current trends continue, recognizing the urgent need for action, conservation organizations are working to protect the king cobra and its habitat. These efforts include raising awareness about the importance of snakes, establishing protected areas, cracking down on the illegal wildlife trade, and promoting sustainable land use practices. The king cobra holds significant cultural and spiritual importance in many societies, particularly in South and Southeast Asia. In Hindu mythology, the king cobra is associated with the Naga, a powerful serpent deity. It is often depicted as a protector, a symbol of fertility, and a representation of royalty. In Buddhism, it is believed that a king cobra shielded the Buddha from the rain. This reverence reflects the admiration and respect that many cultures have for this magnificent creature. However, in some communities, snake charmers have exploited the impressive threat display of the king cobra for entertainment. These performers use music and movement to entice the snake into spreading its hood. Although this may seem harmless, it often involves the removal of the snake's fangs or venom glands, causing significant harm and suffering to the animal. The use of king cobras in performances has raised ethical concerns regarding animal welfare. Many argue that it is cruel and exploitative to subject these wild animals to stressful and unnatural conditions for human entertainment. Although snake charming is deeply rooted in cultural traditions, there is a growing movement to promote alternative forms of entertainment that do not involve the exploitation of animals. This shift reflects a deeper understanding of the importance of animal welfare and conservation. Efforts are underway to educate snake charmers about humane alternatives and to promote responsible tourism that prioritizes the well-being of these magnificent creatures. The king cobra, a symbol of power and a master of venom, reigns supreme in the world of snakes. While it is a fearsome predator, it is also a fascinating creature that plays a vital role in its natural ecosystem. What are your impressions of this ultimate reptile? Leave your opinions in the comments below. Hidden beneath the waves, at depths rarely seen by humans in our oceans, exists a world of mysterious creatures. The sea snakes, these unsung serpents, have adapted to a life entirely submerged in water, developing unique traits and behaviors that set them apart from their terrestrial counterparts. This video takes you on a dive into the underwater world to uncover the secrets of these elusive creatures. Sea snakes, an evolutionary marvel of the ocean. These legless animals are a testament to nature's ingenuity. They exhibit remarkable adaptations that have allowed these representatives of the snake family to thrive in the challenging marine environment. These adaptations span various aspects of their anatomy and physiology, resulting in a body perfectly suited for an aquatic life. The paddle-like tail is one of the most striking and unique adaptations of the sea snake. Beyond its interesting shape, this tail is a powerful motor, enabling the sea snake to swim with exceptional agility and speed. They can navigate through coral reefs, open oceans, and even murky mangrove forests with ease. However, living in saltwater poses a significant challenge for most animals due to the risk of dehydration. Sea snakes have evolved specialized salt glands near their tongues to excrete excess salt from their bodies. This adaptation allows them to maintain proper osmotic balance and thrive in a saline environment. The nostrils have special valves to prevent water from entering the lungs when diving. When active underwater, the sea snake's nostrils close tightly. These valves ensure the snake can breathe effectively even when diving to considerable depths. With a streamlined body, many sea snake species have bodies that appear laterally compressed. This design reduces drag and enhances their swimming efficiency. The sleek shape and paddle-like tail allow these snakes to move through the water with minimal effort. To meet their respiratory needs, sea snakes have several modifications, such as an elongated lung that extends nearly the entire length of the body. This adaptation allows them to store more oxygen and remain underwater for long periods, sometimes up to several hours. Together, these remarkable adaptations make the sea snake ideally suited for life in the ocean. They have successfully conquered a challenging environment, showcasing the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. Beyond their impressive adaptations, sea snakes also present a kaleidoscope of colors. The world of sea snakes is a vibrant and diverse tapestry, showcasing a range of remarkable species that have evolved to thrive in the ocean's varied habitats. With over 60 known species, these snakes display a rich array of colors, patterns, and body shapes, each adapted to its specific ecological niche. Possessing a variety of vivid colors and patterns, sea snakes display many beautiful shades and designs, from the conspicuous black and dark bands on their bodies to the bright yellow belly of the yellow-bellied sea snake, named for its body color. These striking markings often serve as camouflage, helping them blend into their surroundings and ambush prey without suspicion. With unique body shapes, sea snakes also come in many different forms and sizes. Some, like the olive sea snake, are slender and agile, ideal for navigating coral reefs and hunting in tight spaces. Others, like the beaked sea snake, are more robust and muscular, equipped to hunt larger prey in open waters. It can be said that sea snakes are seasoned habitat specialists. They occupy a variety of marine environments, from sunny, shallow coastal waters to the mysterious deep sea. Some species, like the mangrove snake, specialize in living in mangrove forests, while others, like the yellow-bellied sea snake, are found in deeper waters. This habitat diversity has led to the evolution of unique adaptations in each species, ensuring their survival in specific ecological niches. This incredible diversity in species, colors, patterns, and adaptations makes the world of sea snakes a fascinating subject of study and a testament to the power of evolution in shaping life under the ocean. On another note, this slender and seemingly gentle-looking creature is a master of venom in the underwater world. One of the most recognizable features of sea snakes is their venomous nature. All sea snake species possess venom, a powerful weapon that has evolved to ensure survival in the vast and challenging ocean environment. Possessing potent neurotoxins, the venom of sea snakes primarily consists of neurotoxins that directly target the central nervous system of their prey. These neurotoxins work by disrupting nerve signals, leading to paralysis and eventually death in the victim. This allows the sea snake to quickly subdue its target, ensuring a successful hunt. In many cases, the venom of sea snakes is much more potent than that of their terrestrial relatives. This increased toxicity is a necessary adaptation for hunting in the ocean, where prey can be larger and more difficult to subdue. The effective action of the venom ensures the victim is quickly immobilized, preventing it from escaping or injuring the snake. To complement their hellish venom, sea snakes have evolved specialized fangs to deliver it effectively. These fangs are short and fixed, located at the front of the upper jaw. When the snake bites, venom is injected into the prey's tissues and takes effect rapidly. Although all sea snakes are venomous, the potency of their venom varies among species. Some species, like the beaked sea snake, have some of the most toxic venom among all snakes. Others, like the olive sea snake, have less potent venom, but it is still sufficient for their hunting needs. Like other snakes, sea snakes flick their tongues to gather chemical and temperature information from their habitat. The sea snake's tongue is shorter than that of typical snakes, because it is easier to taste molecules in water than in air. Sea snakes reproduce right in their ocean environment. This aquatic reptile has evolved a unique reproductive strategy that sets it apart from most of its land-dwelling relatives. Sea snakes are ovoviviparous, meaning they give birth to live young instead of laying eggs. This adaptation is ideal for their aquatic lifestyle, ensuring the survival of their offspring in a challenging environment like the sea. Unlike egg-laying snake species, the female sea snake retains the fertilized eggs inside her body. The eggs develop and hatch internally, providing a safe and stable environment for the developing embryos. This internal incubation protects the young from predators and other environmental hazards, increasing their chances of survival. After a gestation period that varies among species, the female sea snake gives birth to her live young V. The number of offspring can range from a few to over a dozen, depending on the species and the size of the female. Fully developed at birth. Newborn sea snakes are fully formed miniature versions of their parents, equipped with venom and the ability to swim from their very first moments. This independence allows them to immediately start hunting and navigating their ocean home. The unique evolution of their reproductive process is a significant evolutionary advantage for sea snakes. It eliminates the need to return to land to lay eggs, minimizing their exposure to terrestrial predators. It also ensures that the young are born in a suitable environment, increasing their chances of survival in the dynamic ocean. Sea snakes, in general, are not at risk of extinction. However, some species are currently listed on the IUCN Red List. The world of sea snakes is a testament to the incredible adaptability and diversity of life in our planet's oceans. With their unique adaptations and fascinating behaviors, these venomous snakes continue to captivate and inspire us. In the wild heart of Africa, a silent killer lurks, a mysterious shadow that strikes fear into the bravest of souls, the black mamba. The name is synonymous with death. It is the fastest venomous snake, and one of the snakes with the most potent toxins on Earth. This video takes you into the perilous world of this snake with the inky black mouth, exploring its secrets, debunking myths, and witnessing the incredible speed and agility of this legless reaper. With a diverse distribution across the lands of Africa, the black mamba is a true icon of this wild region. It is known for its existence across many different habitats of the dark continent. This adaptable snake thrives in diverse conditions, showcasing its resilience and strong adaptability to various ecological niches. The black mamba is particularly suited to savanna habitats, where its speed and agility allow it to traverse open grasslands and hunt prey. It can be found in both dry and moist savannas, its camouflage blending seamlessly with the tall grasses and shrubs. Beyond the savanna, the black mamba can also inhabit forests, taking advantage of the cover of trees and vegetation. These hunters are often seen basking on branches or exploring the forest floor for birds and rodents. Hillsides and rocky outcrops provide another ideal habitat for the black mamba. These rocky areas offer numerous hiding places and basking spots, allowing the snake to regulate its body temperature and avoid predators. The distribution of the black mamba spans a vast area of sub-Saharan Africa. It can be found in diverse countries such as South Africa, Mozambique, Tanzania, Kenya, Ethiopia, and even some countries in West Africa. This wide distribution highlights its adaptability and ability to thrive in different ecological conditions. It can be said that the black mamba is a lightning-fast predator. The black mamba's reputation as the fastest venomous snake is well-deserved. This agile predator boasts impressive speed and flexibility, making it a formidable hunter and a master of evasion. While most venomous snakes move relatively slowly, the black mamba is an exception. It can reach speeds of up to 12 miles per hour, 19 kilometers per hour. For short bursts, this superior ability allows it to approach its target quickly, surprising both prey and potential predators. The speed of the black mamba is complemented by its exceptional flexibility. The snake's slender body and smooth scales allow it to easily navigate through dense vegetation and rocky terrain. It can change direction quickly, taking predators by surprise and making it difficult for prey to escape. This incredible speed and agility have evolved as a survival mechanism in the open savannas and woodlands of Africa. The black mamba's speed allows it to outrun predators and chase down fast-moving prey. This adaptation has played a crucial role in the black mamba's success as a top predator in its ecosystem. Although the black mamba is certainly very fast, its top speed can only be maintained for short distances and durations. It cannot sustain this speed continuously. However, even these short bursts of acceleration are enough to make it a formidable opponent and a fascinating example of nature's incredible evolution and adaptation. The black mamba reproduces annually. The mating process takes place in early spring. Male mambas locate females by following their scent trails. After finding a potential mate, the male will inspect the female by flicking his tongue over her entire body. The female lays eggs after a gestation period of 80 to 90 days. During the mating season, competing males may engage in combat with each other by intertwining their bodies and raising their heads high off the ground. The participants put forth their best effort to defeat their rival. This action can sometimes be mistaken for mating. Black mambas are solitary in the wild, not interacting with each other except during mating or combat between males. After the incubation period, the young mambas break through the eggshell with their egg tooth and hatch with fully developed venom glands. Therefore, a baby black mamba is capable of delivering a fatal bite just minutes after birth. The yolk sac is absorbed into the hatchling's body as a source of nutrition, sustaining the young snake until it hatches. The venom of the black mamba is a lethal cocktail of chemical components, including neurotoxins and cardiotoxins. It is a formidable weapon, a complex mixture of toxins that can quickly overwhelm the victim's vital systems. This venom is also part of the reason for the snake's fearsome reputation and a key reason why it is considered one of the most dangerous snakes in the world. Neurotoxins are a key component of the black mamba's venom. These toxins attack the nervous system, disrupting communication between nerves and muscles. This can lead to dire conditions for the victim, such as paralysis, difficulty breathing, and ultimately, respiratory failure. In addition to neurotoxins, the venom also contains cardiotoxins which directly affect heart function. These toxins can disrupt the heart's rhythm, causing irregular heartbeats, cardiac arrest, and ultimately, death. One of the most alarming aspects of the black mamba's venom is its rapid onset. If not treated promptly, the venom can spread quickly throughout the body, with symptoms appearing within minutes. In severe cases, death can occur within 20 minutes to 3 hours after the bite. Fortunately, effective antivenom for black mamba bites is now available. However, the success of the treatment depends heavily on the speed of administration. Early intervention is crucial for survival, as this venom can quickly cause irreversible damage to the nervous system and heart. The name of the black mamba is somewhat misleading, because its external color does not match the nickname people have given it. Instead of being black, this snake comes in various colors, from olive green to brown or gray. These tones provide excellent camouflage in the snake's natural habitat, allowing it to blend perfectly with the surrounding vegetation. The black in this snake's name refers to the inky black interior of its mouth. When threatened, the black mamba opens its mouth wide, revealing this cavernous, dark abyss as a warning to potential predators. This impressive display, along with its raised head and chilling hiss, creates a frightening image to deter any attackers. The name Black Mamba may have originated from early human encounters with the snake, during which observers focused on the striking black interior of its mouth. This remarkable coloration, combined with the snake's speed and reputation for a deadly bite, has cemented its name in the annals of herpetology. Despite being misnamed, the black mamba's reputation as a dangerous and elusive snake remains intact. Its external coloration may be rather subdued, but its speed, venom, and fearsome defensive display make it a formidable predator and a fascinating subject of study. Although not inherently aggressive, the black mamba possesses a range of formidable defense mechanisms that it employs when threatened or cornered. This defensive repertoire is designed to intimidate and deter potential predators, allowing the snake to escape or protect itself when confronted. When facing an opponent, the black mamba adopts a characteristic threat posture. It raises the front part of its body, sometimes lifting up to a third of its length off the ground. This height allows it to survey its surroundings and appear larger and more intimidating to the perceived threat. As it lifts its body, the mamba can also flatten its neck into a hood, similar to a cobra but much smaller. At the same time, the snake will open its mouth wide, revealing the inky black interior that gave it its name. This dark abyss and the raised neck create an impressive visual warning for potential attackers. The threat display is often accompanied by an auditory warning through a loud hiss. This hiss serves as a powerful deterrent to the enemy and warns the opponent to keep its distance. If the threat persists, the black mamba may strike repeatedly. injecting a potent dose of venom into the potential adversary's body with each bite. It is important to emphasize that the black mamba's defensive behavior is a last resort. It generally prefers to avoid confrontation and only uses these measures when overly threatened, or when it feels it has no escape route. By understanding its defensive tactics, we can better appreciate the snake's natural behavior and avoid provoking it unnecessarily. The black mamba is a true symbol of the African wilderness, a creature where beauty and danger go hand in hand. It reminds us of the delicate balance between predator and prey.